Again, we will be using power chords that have their root on the E string. F-sharp 5 is played on the 2nd fret, G5 on the 3rd, and A5 on the 5th fret on the E string. The A section is based on an 8th note rhythm with some short rests in between. In the first bar, the rests are on the 2nd and 4th beats, and in the second bar, they're on the 2nd and 3rd beats. You should lift your fingers slightly off the strings and also use your right hand for damping. In this case, I use the pick and forefinger, which I place on the E and A strings. This has the advantage that the right hand is already in the correct position for the next strum. The two measures are played 4 times. The first 3 times the notes in the 1st, 2nd and 3rd time bars are played, and on the 4th time the notes in the 4th time bar should be played. The B section adds a new chord, D5, which is fretted on the 10th fret. This will give us a B5 on the 7th fret, a D5 on the 10th fret, and an A5 on the 5th fret. In the intro of the song, you will play quarter notes with the F-sharp power chord for 2 bars. The symbol underneath the score indicates that you should start softly and then increase the volume gradually. This is called a crescendo. You control it with your right hand. Start by strumming gently and then add a little more force with each additional strum.